Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's SolidWorks tutorial, I'll be discussing about another simple way to go around with SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind the videos to understand fully. Please continue watching until end of the video so you can easily learn SolidWorks, and I appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. See File and the new, and a new solid document opens with a template where you pick it up the part and okay, and then let's do the prompt sketch, and now it's a prompt plane that we have to sketch. Let's pick up the center line. And then draw a line. Like this. Then put dimension, that is 50. It's in millimeter. Regenerate the model with the current value and click the save the current value and exit the dialog box. And then let's put the dimension here. So let's say it's 100. Regenerate and save. Then this one will be 25 millimeter, regenerate, and then save the current value and exit the dialog box. And we'll get out of the smart dimension. And I want this whole thing to be copied on the other side. Let's do that. Mirror entities. Entities to mirror is the line 2, line 3, and line 1. And copy on the other side will be mirror about the line 1 and press check. Let's do some play. I want to play this one and this one. So the play, let's do it as maybe 5. And the entities to play is this one and this one. Let's say 10, 15, maybe 20. And the other one here. Now let's get out of the sketch play dialog box. And then another one, another play. We use also 20 to make it this one. And the other one here. So now it's a little bit nice to look at. And then get out of the sketch play. Now let's go insert surface, extrude. So I wanted to extrude that one with midpoint. And let's say 50 as in millimeter, or more than that, maybe 100 the units. So now it's shows that it extrude on both ends from here and to others at the end. And let's get out of the dialog box. So, surface extrude. Now it is a surface which is just a thin layers of like a paper size. It's a thickness. It's just a surface. I want this thin of layers of a surface to be thickened. I mean to become a solid. So let's do that. Insert picture. Balls thicken. Press that one. You see that there is a thickness. Let's put it as 20 or 15 only, and press OK. The thicken parameter is surface extrude, so when you go on the other side it will be double, and when you go on the other side it will be on the other side, that it will be at the bottom, but I wanted to put it at the top. Now it's thickened. Now it's solid drawing right now instead of a surface. Now let's put some hole. Counter bore. Let's do the number 5. Up next. Let's do that one only, just one. Let's do the edit where the location of the hole. Maybe just measure it. As 15. And this one is 15. Regenerate. Okay. Let's get out of the smart dimension. Then put this one. Press the other point and other point also. So along the set, it will be moved, aligned with the other points. And then measure that one. Only this one which we're gonna measure with as 15. Regenerate. So now it's the same where the connection of the hole itself. So let's get out of the sketch. So now it's like fully defined. I want this one to be copied on the other side. Let's say on this one that the plane is on the middle. Let's go to picture and then mirror it. The plane to be mirror is the right plane, and the mirror to be is this both C-bore for M5. And now you have your bore already, or the hole itself for the bolt to be placed. Let's do a hole in here. So I want to have a sketch onto the right plane. Sketch here. and to the front, let's say maybe this one, a straight slot from here to here. Okay, here to here, let's say 15 millimeter, regenerate and get out of the dialog box, and then the measurement here will be 60. Okay, so it is now fully defined. Yep, it's fully defined. And let's get out of the sketch. Then I want to have something like a drawing on the front plane. Let's do the sketch on the front plane. Okay, let's do this one. Oops. Let's do this one. Wait a minute. Okay. I wanted to make something like a 3-point arc from here to here to here, and then measure it or with the 75. Okay. $135. Okay. Let's just remove it. Okay. Let's get out of the sketch. And now I want to have a sweep cut on those one. The profile itself is this one, and the cut to be moved is this one, and it will be one line, so 2 of them. But it will be cut on it. Let's press OK. Now you just have a hole in it. Very nice. But I wanted different one. Let's say a sweep boss. This one is the profile, and this one is the part itself. Let's see. Now it's much better. Let's put a color in it. An orange. Very light, so orange. What about this one? with the strip, different color, maybe yellow or green or blue, maybe blue. Okay. I found out that some of you are not subscribed yet. Please subscribe now so you can gain more knowledge about SolidWorks, and I appreciate your kind support to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.